Today your new nation welcomes you home. Congratulations and welcome.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and thanks for being here again. Alright, so I'm actually now stuck at a point where I don't know what to use as my intro anymore, because usually this would be my intro. I am a Jamaican living in Australia. I am a Jamaican living in Australia. I'm a Jamaican living in Australia. Jamaican living in Australia. I am a Jamaican living in Australia. Do I now say an Australian? Or I can still say a Jamaican living in Australia, because as you would have seen from the title, I am now officially an Australian citizen. Yes, so from the previous video, most of you would have seen that I did my Australian citizenship test and I passed it, which was on the 5th of June. And later, a month later, on the 7th of July, is actually when I did my citizenship ceremony. So it happened within the space of 1 month, which, you know, it was actually fast comparing to you know, the time they say it normally takes up to 6 months anyway, but it can take up to a year depending. And yeah, surprisingly, it came really quick. So that's a good thing. You know, if I was someone that had an offense or any kind of criminal background, that wouldn't have happened. So, you know, I'm grateful. I come here and I don't get myself in any trouble as well. So that's a good value right there. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna be showing you some clips and pictures from when we attended sorry, my throat is, well, the whole family been sick, so I'm just left with a bit of cough, cold at the moment, but I'm pretty much recovered. So my throat pretty much just yeah, stuffed up. But yeah, I'm gonna show you all some pictures and videos from the ceremony. It was actually around 8 of us that attended the ceremony, and you had families and friends of other people that was there, that was doing their citizens, that attended for support. And yeah, so I know that you had one guy next to me, he was from England, and there was a lady next to me from the Netherlands, and one lady from Taiwan, and I think one is from Philippines. So there's like different backgrounds, people that become a citizen on that day. So it was pretty interesting. And yeah, they had like snacks and drinks, and you know, after we finished the ceremony, so we could all have a little feast and go home, you know, becoming an Australian citizen. And also they gave me a few things I'm gonna show you as well. It's actually the council's office. The ceremony was held at. So yeah, it was pretty cool experience. And yeah, I was nervous. Even the organizer, the lady that organized it, was saying, "Oh, are you nervous?" I said, "Yeah." She's saying there's nothing to be nervous about, and she asked a few more of us, and they said they were nervous too. So yeah, I think it's only natural, I guess. But yeah, it was pretty good. My whole family was there, and you know, we took pictures with the mayor and councillor, and you know, people of importance in this country. So it was pretty good. Yeah, man. So that was that, and yeah, the island boy is now an Australian citizen. Yeah, a dual citizen. So now you can all sit back and enjoy these few clips and pictures from my citizenship ceremony. All right, let's go now.
Australia's newest citizens. So from me, a very warm welcome to you all. Steve, Vaughan, of course, and your family and friends. Today is a really special day. Rob, thanks for allowing me to read the Minister's message, and his message is exactly this. In a few moments' time, Australia becomes an even better nation. When you take the citizenship pledge, you take on privileges and responsibilities as Australian citizens. From that moment, your journey and heritage becomes a part of our shared Australian story. We are privileged to share this beautiful country with our First Nations Australians, the custodians of the world's oldest living culture. Appreciating and understanding the truth is a vital part of what it means to be Australian. Australia welcomes you as a full member of one of the most diverse nations on earth, where our citizenship is our bond that unites us all. Australia welcomes you and everything you bring to Australia. Today your new nation welcomes you home. Congratulations and welcome. Rob. Earlier, it's great to have a gallery full of people who come here and support their citizens. Sometimes that doesn't happen. We might only have 5 people there. So thank you very much for coming along and giving your support. The other thing I'd like to mention is it's a very relaxed formalities. If you want to get up and walk around and take some photos, feel free to do it at any time. All right? Wonderful. Thank you, Richie. I will now read the preamble for the citizenship ceremony. Australian citizenship represents formal membership of the community of the Commonwealth of Australia. And Australian citizenship is a common bond involving reciprocal rights and obligations uniting all Australians while respecting their diversity. Persons on whom Australian citizenship is conferred enjoy these rights and undertake to accept these obligations by pledging loyalty to Australia and its people, and by sharing their democratic beliefs, and by respecting their rights and liberties, and by upholding and obeying the laws of Australia. Now we have 2 pledges. Some have chosen to take pledge 1, some have chosen to take pledge 2. So if you are taking pledge 1, I'll ask you to stand, please. Please repeat after me the following Australian citizenship pledge, pledge 1. From this time forward, under God, I pledge my loyalty to Australia and its people, whose beliefs I share, whose rights and liberties I respect, and whose law I will uphold and obey.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are young and free, with golden soil and wealth of toil. Our home is the dark sea, our land abounds in nature's gift of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every sage of us Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing across Australia fair.
Thank you. Please be seated.
At the citizenship ceremony, I was also gifted this plant, which everyone also got a flower as well. So this is actually a native plant of Australia. And yeah, that's the name, Gardenia scabrella. Yeah, so and that's what it looks like. And as you all know, this is actually a good gift because I love plants and flowers. So yeah, beautiful. So along with the Australian native plant, this is what I also got. They gave me one hat. They gave me this hat from Richmond Valley Council. You can see there as a gift. Richmond Valley Council, I'm not sure what this is, but they also gave me a notebook and along with that they gave me a pen. So yep, I've not opened this yet to see what it is. Okay, there you have it. You have Anzac Day, annual autumn show, next council meeting, disability action plan. So ready for, yes, sir. That's what it is. Application determinations, March 2nd. Yeah, man, sir. That's what I got at my citizenship ceremony. Yeah, boy. So that is it, and ensure to give this video a thumbs up though, and please leave a like on the video, and yeah, drop your comments down below what you think. All right, and let me know what else you want to see me do, because to be honest, I haven't been vlogging much. I haven't been really, yeah, sometimes it gets like that. I haven't been putting out much videos, so yeah, drop some ideas. All right, give thanks for watching. Silent Boy Africa, I'm out.